this is Steve from iSolar Solutions, getting ready to install a iSolar Solutions 80-watt 210 FLEXLine installation. Basically, that's a single solar panel, single source of power we can put on the roof, and we can connect up to 3 fans. Today we're going to do 2 fans, and we're going to install those in existing vents, so we don't need to cut any new holes in the roof. So we're going to mount the solar panel where it's best getting the sun, and then run some extender cables so we can split the power between the 2 fans, and we can extend any distance, actually up to maybe 60 feet away, to connect a second fan in another vent that's already on the roof. So it's an easily retrofit product. Here's the spec sheet on it. So that's the iSolar FLEXLine, and we're going to basically, like I said, we're going to hook the solar panel up to 2 fans. And so this is a 120 watt. This already comes with a splitter, but we have the accessories as well to split the power. And you can see these fire up right away. So that's going to run these 2 fans, and we're going to retrofit these into 2 existing vent covers. No new hole, like I said. So let's get started. Okay, we've also installed a 50-watt flex with an 8-inch fan from iSolar Solutions into this garage vent. And you hear it really cranking. That's about 600 CFM just for this small garage area. And then we have the 1700 CFM unit, 120 watts of power here on the main roof. And that's cranking right along here. Okay. So what we did was we put the solar panel on the south side, or west. We're able to connect it across through the vent with the cable, no new hole cut, and connect it to the fans on this side. That's it. That's the iSolar FLEXLine.